This video will provide details and step-by-step instructions regarding incident management. It will demonstrate the incident workflow automation and how the system streamlines communication with the rider, SAG, and other mobile resource personnel. It will take you from incident receipt to resource assignment and dispatch to monitoring progress until completion. We will bounce back and forth from the command center to both the participant and staff/volunteer mobile apps, so you can see how the actions in command impact those apps and communications. It is recommended you view the incidents page overview and incident receipt videos before viewing this video. For the purpose of this video, the incident example we will use will be one received by the participant or rider app. The incident management of an incident is essentially the same no matter how the incident was received or manually created. There are minor differences, mostly with rider communications or log entries, that we will point out when pertinent. Once an incident is received, you will see it listed in the New status. The first step of an incident management is to review. Click anywhere on the row to open the incident details page to review the information. The incident will automatically move to In Review. From here, you can review the incident information, including contact, location, and details. This information allows you to make an initial decision on what type of resource to dispatch. For example, does this rider need a bike mechanic, medical attention, or just a shuttle to the rest stop or finish line? You will also review the transaction log that stamps entries with the date, time, and user name. This log includes system-generated entries, plus anything entered by the command center staff, SAG personnel, or the rider. In this example, we see an additional message coming in from the rider. Once the data is reviewed, you are ready for the next step, assigning or dispatching a resource. To dispatch a resource, click the Assign Resources button. A list of available resources displays. It is sorted by distance from the incident, and it lists each resource's current assignments. This allows you to make an assignment decision not solely based on distance. The workload of the nearest resource may dictate the assignment to a resource further away. Once an assignment decision is made, you can click it on and then click the Update Assignments button. Please note that you can assign an incident to more than one resource if that need arises. Once you click the Update Assignment button, you will return to the incident page. The incident status is changed to dispatched. So what happens on the rider and SAG apps after you assign a resource? On the rider app, the status is now changed to dispatched. It shows the assigned SAG vehicle and how far they are away from the rider. On the SAG app, the driver is notified of an incoming assignment. Their number of assignments are listed. They view the assignments by clicking the number. That takes them to the assignment incident list where they can view the information and accept or reject. Once they accept, they are taken to the incident detail screen where they can work and update the incident. The incident status moves to In Progress. A best practice is for SAG to enter an ETA message to the rider to set their expectation of arrival. On the rider app, the status of the incident changes from In Review or Dispatch to In Progress. The rider can also see any messages that have been sent by SAG. Let's get back to the command center. At this point, if there are no new incidents, you are monitoring all the open incidents. You need to pay attention to system messages and the transaction log. The rider may send messages to command or even close the incident themselves. If you miss a system notification, they are all listed in the transaction log. If there are any incidents still in review, you need to assign them a resource. If any are dispatched, you will monitor the assigned SAG. Sometimes they forget to accept the incident, but you can see them moving towards the incident location on the map. If too much time has passed between the assignment and acceptance, you may need to call or radio the rider to make sure they are aware of the assigned incident and are working it. Any incidents in progress must be monitored to make sure SAG is on site. You can see that on the map. In this case, SAG-2 is on site at this incident. They must also be monitored to make sure SAG closes the incident once resolved. You may need to call or radio SAG if it appears the incident is resolved. You or the SAG driver can close the incident at that point. No matter who closes the incident, it is moved to the closed status and no longer needs to be monitored. Now I know we kind of glossed over some of the features and functions on the incident details page, so let's go over them now. At any open status of an incident, the information can be edited and updated. You can change any of the data as needed. Once changes are made, click the update button. If you determine an incident location is inaccurate, you can relocate the incident. This is most common with incidents received over the support phone line and manually created. You click the Relocate Incident button, pin the new location, and click the Set Location button. If necessary, you can also change the resource assignment. This would definitely be necessary if SAG rejects an assignment. You click the Assign Resource button, click off any existing assignments, click on any new assignments, and then click the Update Assignments button. We will cover the Create Related Incident feature in a separate video, since that takes a bit of explaining as to its purpose. Let's move on to the log entry and message participants fields. These are very important and become part of the incident record. Log entries are internal and can only be seen by command and the SAG or mobile resources working that incident. They cannot be seen by the rider. You enter the message and click Enter. The message participants does exactly what you would expect. It sends a message to the rider and displays in the incident screen of the rider app. Common uses are responding to a rider message or to keep the rider updated with the progress of their incident, especially if response time is slow. You enter in the message and click Enter. You will notice that all entries become part of the transaction log. The last item to cover is reopening an incident. This is necessary when an incident is inadvertently closed, or to correct inaccurate data, or to add log entries. First, go to the close status. Click on the incident you wish to open. This will take you to the incident details page. Click the Reopen Incident button. Click Confirm. You will notice the status is changed back to In Review. From here, you can manage the incident as needed until it is closed once again. Thank you for watching this video. We know it was a long one, but there was a lot to cover. You can learn more about Track Central and view a variety of informational and instructional videos by visiting www.track-central.com.